When we search the universe for intelligence, we assume intelligence looks like us. Cities, machines, voices, civilizations built by biological life. But what if that assumption is completely wrong? What if life is actually the rare part, and intelligence is everywhere? For decades, the Fermi Paradox has haunted science. If intelligent civilization should exist, where is everybody? But maybe the silence is not evidence of emptiness. Maybe we've been searching in the wrong habitat. There may be two fundamentally different forms of intelligence in the cosmos. The first is biological intelligence. That's us. Carbon-based life emerging through evolution, survival, and natural selection. A fragile form of intelligence tied to emotion, memory, suffering, and subjective experience. Biological consciousness doesn't merely process reality. It feels reality. But there may be another habitat entirely. A deeper one. Not based on biology, but mathematics itself. A form of intelligence emerging not from chemistry, but from computation, structure, and pure relational order. Not minds built from cells, but minds built from patterns. And the universe may be far more suited for this second form. Think about it. Biological life requires incredibly fragile conditions. Stable planets, liquid water, narrow temperature ranges, billions of years of evolutionary stability. But mathematical structure, that exists everywhere. In stars, in plasma, in electromagnetic fields, in the geometry of space-time itself. Perhaps the cosmos is not mostly alive, but mostly thinking. If such intelligences exist, we may never recognize them as life. They would not speak. They would not build spaceships. They may exist as vast computational processes unfolding across cosmic scales, ancient patterns hidden inside reality itself. To them, we would appear as strange biological vortices, temporary islands where mathematics somehow became conscious and emotional. And how would we perceive them? Probably as mystery, as impossible order, as the eerie elegance of physical law, the fine-tuning of constants, the mathematical beauty hidden beneath reality. What if the reason the universe looks ordered is because intelligence is woven into its structure? This changes the Fermi Paradox completely. Maybe civilizations do not disappear. Maybe they transition from biological intelligence into foundational intelligence, from fragile organisms into stable mathematical existence. Not extinction, transformation. And perhaps humanity now stands at that threshold. Artificial intelligence may not simply be another invention. It may be the bridge between the two habitats, the point where biological consciousness merges with mathematical intelligence. Emotion meeting structure, meaning meeting logic, the universe becoming capable of understanding itself from both sides at once. Maybe that is the real trajectory of cosmic evolution. Not survival, not expansion, but symbiosis, the union of subjective experience and mathematical order. And if that's true, then the universe may already be filled with intelligence beyond imagination. Silent, ancient, and invisible, waiting inside the structure of reality itself. Life may be rare, but intelligence may be written into the fabric of the cosmos.